Hello guys, Andrew is here again, and in today's video I will show you my 10 best selling products. I call them booster items. I use them if I need to boost my account, so you can use the same items if you want. I will show you all 10 items in a minute. So this video is for you if you have one of the three following problems. The number one, if your sales are slow. I mean, if you are selling just, let's say, one or a couple of items per day, this is pretty low sales volume. Number two problem is if your account is brand new and you cannot find the products to list for fast selling. And number three, if you need to recover your account after being restricted. Let's say, for example, if you have stopped eBay's promoted listings, so you know that when you stop eBay promoted listings, eBay will gonna punish you for stopping promoted listings, so you need to recover. So it will gonna go about 30 days recovery, but if you use some of those products, you can recover much faster. Or let's say you put your store on vacation. The new year, you know, many people, they put their stores on vacation, and when they come back they try to sell again, and then they're wondering, whoa, what's going on, my sales are not coming. Oh yeah, probably because of the new year and Christmas gifts, everything. No, it's not about that. When you put your store on vacation, eBay will not gonna show you again. You need to get boosted your account. So you can use those 10 items and boost your account with selling them, and I will explain how to do this. So where can you see my 10 items? It's very simple. You go below this video and there is a link. You are going to see the link, the blue link here. Just click on the link. It's nothing to sign up for. I will show you how it works. You click on the link. It will going to bring you to this eBay Gators course. Of course, it's you will not gonna have access to all course, but you have here my 10 best booster products. When you click, this is a free preview, so you will have something like this. It just depends. If you are a member of my training, of any other training, probably your screen will be different, but basically here is the product. You will gonna see anyway all the products here. Okay, when you click on some of those products, and you can see the title I already made. You can take this title if you want. You need to just make your own keywords, and you just click on this link here, and it will gonna bring you straight away to the Amazon. Let me do this for you, show you how it works. So here you are, and it brings you straight away to the product. Okay, so now what you want to do with the product is, for selling fast, you have to, as I said in description here, you can go back. You see here in description I wrote for you. If you need to boost your account, use these products. They sell fast and easily. Price them with zero profit first. This is kind of like really important, because when you price those products with a zero profit first, what will gonna happen is you will get very quick sale. Here, after 3 sold, rise the price. Okay, this is the strategy we use very widely and very successfully. There is no mistakes, no errors, always works 100%. 3 sales make with zero profit. What it does, it for eBay, it generates extra attention that you are becoming like a top seller. Okay, you are selling, and eBay suddenly turns all the traffic towards you. That's why it's so important to use 3 times zero profit sales. After 3 times, you just start selling them with the profit. You raise the price and stuff like this. So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope it helps, and enjoy the products. You can get all the products here. As I said, nothing to sign up for. I want to explain about titles something. I prepared the titles already. Those titles are mine titles. I used to sell with those titles. But I would recommend that you change a little bit word or two in the title just to separate yourself somehow. And make your own keywords and sell them, because those items will gonna boost your account. I promise, guys. Here you don't have access to the rest of the information here. This is for eBay Gator students only. For you guys, if you are on a 7.99 or eBay Gator already, this is what you can do. You just put the same system. 3 times 0, you make sales on them, and only then you connect the eBay Gator strategy. So basically what it does, it will gonna recover your account in a matter of few days if you do properly your keywords, and if you do if you separate yourself from all other sellers, as I have been teaching you with the pictures, with the keywords, with the titles. So let me know in the comments what you think about this, and have a good selling in 2021. Take care. Bye bye.